Our universe, vast and ancient, has inspired both awe and mystery for as long as we've gazed up at the stars. From the evolution of life on Earth to the distant planets twirling in the black void, myths and misunderstandings have filled the gaps in our knowledge. Today, let's quiet the noise and unravel 5 common myths about evolution and space with the gentle truth. Lean back, relax, and let's begin this journey together. One of the most well-known but misunderstood ideas: the belief that humans evolved from monkeys. This notion has been a topic of debate and confusion for many years. Picture, if you will, the lush tapestry of life evolving over millions of years. The intricate dance of evolution where countless species have come and gone, each playing a role in the grand story of life on Earth. It's easy to see where this misconception comes from. After all, we share so many characteristics with our primate cousins: the dexterity of our hands, our expressive faces, even our complex social structures. These similarities can make it seem like we are directly descended from them. While it's true we share a common ancestor with them, humans did not evolve directly from any living monkey species. This common ancestor lived millions of years ago and gave rise to different evolutionary paths. Imagine, if you will, a great branching tree, its roots stretching back through time. Each branch represents a different lineage, a different path taken by various species over the eons. Around 25 million years ago, one of these branches diverged, leading to the lineage of apes. This was a significant split, marking the beginning of a new chapter in the story of life. And from that branch, millions of years later, another split occurred, giving rise to 2 distinct paths, one leading to modern-day monkeys and the other, eventually, to us. This divergence highlights the complexity and beauty of evolution. We're distant cousins, but we followed different paths on the tree of life. Our journey has been unique, shaped by countless factors over millions of years. So next time someone mentions that humans came from monkeys, remember, it's not quite so simple. Our shared history is a testament to the intricate and wondrous process of evolution, a story that continues to unfold with each passing day. The idea of a dark side of the moon has captivated imaginations, but the truth is, there is no permanent dark side. You see, the moon is tidally locked to the Earth, meaning we only ever see one face. Imagine the Earth and the moon engaged in an intricate cosmic waltz. As the moon pirouettes around us, its own rotation has slowed over eons until one side is perpetually facing our planet. However, the other side of the moon receives sunlight just as often. Picture the sun, a celestial spotlight bathing our solar system in its warmth. As the moon journeys around the Earth, its hidden face basks in this light, experiencing day and night just as our side does. It's not a dark, shadowy place, just a side we never see from Earth. So when you look up at the moon, remember, its far side is quietly basking in the sun, waiting for its turn. Chapter 3. The Dinosaurs' Fiery Demise. For years, some believed dinosaurs couldn't survive the cold, and that's what led to their extinction. Picture these magnificent creatures, lumbering giants, ill-equipped to handle a sudden shift in climate, but the truth is far more dramatic. Around 66 million years ago, an asteroid collided with Earth, sending dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing rapid environmental changes. Imagine, if you will, the searing heat of that impact, the shock waves rippling across the planet. The skies, once clear, would have been choked with dust, blotting out the sun and plunging the Earth into darkness. This catastrophic event wiped out the dinosaurs, not the cold. They didn't freeze, they faced an apocalypse from above. The very air they breathed would have turned toxic, the land scorched and barren. It wasn't a gradual decline, but a sudden catastrophic end for these rulers of the prehistoric world. Chapter 4. Venus, Earth's fiery mirror. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of their similar sizes and rocky compositions, but beneath the surface, they couldn't be more different. While they share a similar size and structure, their environments are worlds apart. Imagine gazing up at Venus, a brilliant jewel in the twilight sky. It shines brightly, often outshining all other celestial bodies except the moon. Its size, its density, even its composition, all bear a striking resemblance to our own planet. But these similarities are only skin deep. But appearances, as we know, can be deceiving. Beneath its cloud cover lies a world that is starkly different from Earth. Venus is a scorching hellscape, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and an atmosphere thick with toxic clouds. The planet is enveloped in a dense layer of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. Step onto the surface of Venus and you'd be met with unimaginable heat, the air thick and heavy with carbon dioxide. The heat is relentless, with temperatures soaring to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure would be crushing, as if you were submerged deep beneath the ocean. It's about 92 times the pressure you'd experience at sea level on Earth. Earth, in contrast, is teeming with life and liquid water. Our planet is a sanctuary, with ecosystems that support a diverse array of life forms. Our planet is a vibrant oasis, its surface adorned with oceans, forests and deserts, all teeming with life. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, Earth is a planet of contrasts, yet all these environments support life. The air is breathable, the temperature just right for liquid water to flow freely. Rivers, lakes and oceans are abundant, providing the lifeblood for countless species. So while Venus may be our size, it's far from a twin. More like a distant, fiery cousin. Its hostile environment is a stark reminder of how unique and precious Earth is. A reminder that even in the vastness of space, appearances can be deceiving. What looks similar from afar can be drastically different up close, teaching us to appreciate the delicate balance that makes Earth habitable. Chapter 5. The Subtle Dance of Survival. There's a common belief that evolution only favors the strongest and most powerful. But that's not always the case. In fact, the story of survival is often written by the unlikeliest of heroes. We often picture evolution as a brutal competition, a race to be the biggest, the fastest, the fiercest. This image is reinforced by dramatic wildlife documentaries and our own perceptions of nature, but the reality is far more nuanced. Evolution is not just a battle of might, it's a complex interplay of various factors. Evolution favors traits that help species survive and reproduce, which sometimes means the fastest, smallest, or even the quietest creatures thrive. These traits can be as varied as the environments in which these creatures live. Consider, for example, the humble mouse, scurrying through the undergrowth. Its small size and agility are not just random characteristics, they are finely tuned adaptations. It's not the strongest creature, but its small size and agility allow it to evade predators and thrive in a variety of environments. Its ability to find food and shelter in the most unexpected places is a testament to its evolutionary success. Or the chameleon, blending seamlessly into its surroundings, its stillness a form of strength in a world of constant movement. Its ability to change color is not just a party trick. It's a sophisticated survival strategy. It's not about brute strength, it's about adaptation. The ability to change, to fit into new niches, to find new ways to survive, these are the hallmarks of evolutionary success. The ability to change, to adapt to new challenges, to exploit opportunities, these are the true drivers of evolution. Whether it's a bird learning to use tools or a plant developing resistance to pests, adaptation is key. So, in the quiet corners of nature, it's often the subtle traits that help life endure. These traits may not be as flashy as a lion's roar or an eagle's flight, but they are no less important. The ability to camouflage, to conserve energy, to cooperate with others. These are the quiet triumphs of evolution, often overlooked, but no less remarkable. In the grand tapestry of life, it's these subtle threads that hold everything together. Utro, the ever-evolving universe. Whether it's the myths of evolution or the mysteries of the stars, our understanding of the universe is always evolving. Sometimes, the truth is even more awe-inspiring than the myth. Thank you for joining me on this gentle journey through time and space. If you'd like to hear more soft-spoken truths and explore the wonders of the world, gently press that subscribe button and join me for more.